Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. By subscribing, you'll never miss the latest updates, tips, and stories that matter most to you. Let's get started.
If you've been injured in California, you might be wondering, what happens if my case goes to trial? A lot of people imagine TV-style courtroom drama, but the reality is a little different. Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly what to expect. The first step is choosing the jury. Both your personal injury attorney and the defense get to ask potential jurors questions to make sure they are fair and unbiased. Next comes the opening statements. Here, each side explains to the jury what they plan to prove. Your lawyer will outline the evidence, injuries, and impact the accident has had on your life. This is the first opportunity to make a clear impression on the jury. After that, the trial moves to witnesses and evidence. This is often the heart of the case. Your doctor may testify about your injuries, experts can explain how the accident happened, and accident reports or photographs may be presented. Your attorney guides you through this process, making sure your story is told accurately. Once all the evidence has been presented, both sides give closing arguments. This is, the final chance to summarize the case and persuade the jury. Finally, the jury deliberates and gives a verdict. They decide if the defendant is responsible, and if so, how much compensation you should receive. Trials can feel stressful, but they are structured and organized. With the right attorney, like the experienced team at RTM Law, you won't have to face it alone. We've helped many California accident victims get the compensation they deserve. And honestly, we're ready to help you. Call us at 855-786-9467. Free consultation.